Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to provide an answer to a question, and that is sum of the n term of arithmetic progression as a continuation of the topic sequence and series and the arithmetic progression. So if you are new, consider to subscribe to the channel, like and share. So in this episode, we are to find the sum of the first 35 terms of an AP whose third term is given as 7 and the seventh term is given as 2 more than thrice that of the third term. So this is more or less like an additional word problem joined with what? Sequence and series. We know that if the sum of AP is mentioned, we go straight forward with sum equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1 d if you don't know the last term. So this is what we need in order to fulfill the sum of AP. So it means I need number of terms, which clearly the question has given to us. The first one, 35 terms. So 35 term is known. The next thing to find is the first term. So you can see clearly the 7 here is not the first term, but what? The third term of the sequence. Then we also need common difference. So you can see that from here to here, we have our n term, but from here to here can help us to find the A, which is the first term, and that of the common difference. So let's see how we can rewrite this in order to get what we are looking for. So we know that using the n term, which is un equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So if we are saying that we are looking for the third term, we know the n is going to be given as what? 3. So that is going to be u3 is going to be 7. That's the third term. But this third term could also be given as 3 minus 1d. That will be 2. So obviously the third term is going to be a plus 2d, which is equals to what? 7. You know the third term is equal to 7, and the same third term is the a plus n minus 1, n which is the 3 minus 1, 2d give us this. So in this, we can't find any variable because a and d are not known. So that becomes the first equation. Also, we are saying that the seventh term, which we know to be u7, is equals to, that is the equals to 2 more. 2 more means what? 2 addition to, meaning you are going to add 2 to whatever is there. Equal sign is already here, so plus 2 will be what we are going to get at the end. 2 more than 3 times the third term, thrice of each third term. So it's going to be 3 times the third term plus 2. Do we get that? The seventh term equals to 3 times the third term plus 2. 2 more than 3 times the third term. I believe that is clear. So now we are going to change this to become the whole of this, with the whole of this also mean what? 7. So I can write 7 here since the same thing. But I cannot use the u7 in the calculation. So u7 is going to be a plus 6d, which is a plus 7 minus 1, which will be 6d, equals to 3 times a plus 2d, which could be changed to 7 plus 2. I don't know if you get the concept. The a plus 6d is referring to the seventh term, which is the u7. Then 7 here also refers to what? The third term, which is the same thing as this. So we can rewrite this to have a plus 6d equals to 21, as in this multiplication, plus this, that will be 23. And that gives us the second equation. So since we are looking for 2 variables, a and d, we can solve this simultaneously. So what do? since the coefficient of A is the same, so we go ahead and subtract. So we're going to have equation 2 minus equation 1. So A minus A will go, this A minus A will go 6D minus 3D. That will be 4D. So I have 4D equals to 23 minus 7. 3 here, left is 20. 4 there made is 16. So we have 16. We can get our D to be equals to 16 over 4, which will be 4. Meaning the common difference is what? 4. So I can put that into any of the equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll say A plus 2D equals what? 7. So what can I get here? I can get my A equals to 8. No, equals to 7 minus 8, as in 2, 4, 8. That implies that your A is going to be equals to -1. So therefore, if I'm to solve this, looking for first term and the common difference, therefore the common difference is going to be 4. The first term is going to be what? -1. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the sum of all those terms, 35 of them. So I'll put that into the formula to have sum of 35 terms equals to 35 over 2 multiplied by 2A, which is -1, plus N is 35 minus 1 times D, which is what? 4. Are we okay with that? So 35 over 2 multiplying -2, this is going to be 34, right? So if it is 34, that will be 16. So 136 per that multiplication. We can still maintain 35 over 2 times this is being added to this. It's the same as 136 minus 2, and that will be 134. I believe these two can do justice to that. So 35 times, we'll go into that place 6 times, remember 1, so 67. So if you multiply this, will give you 2345. That is 2,345. So all that we need, the question asks. This is what the question asks us to calculate. But in the course of this calculation, we need the first term and that of the common difference, which we don't know. So that will be the second part of the question, using the nth term to get our common difference and that of what? First term. So the calculation becomes easy. I believe the concept is well explained to your satisfaction. If you do like this video, please bless somebody with this video, share the link with them, encourage them to subscribe, click on notification button to receive all notification anytime a new video is uploaded. You might not need this, but somebody on your contact list may need this. Share with them. Don't forget to comment. Bye bye.